Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada with an Avada short. In this video, I will take a look at how to use the advanced global palette color options. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Okay, let's begin. Global colors are a great feature in Avada, and we have an awesome video called Working with Color Options in Avada that looks at global colors and how to use them. But in this video, we're just going to look at one aspect of global colors, and that's the advanced color options found in the global color palette. You access this from the sliders icon here, right next to the cog icon. With these options, you can adjust the hue, saturation, luminance, and the transparency of the chosen color. In this way, you can add extra colors into your design that are tied to the chosen global color. So if the global colors change, any adjusted colors change with it. Okay, so hue is basically the color of the color. With this, you can enter a value in degrees. If I just add 30 in here, the color changes by 30 degrees around the color wheel. You can also use negative numbers here to go in the other direction. The next one is saturation. This refers to the intensity or purity of a color. This is also known as chroma. Again, you can input both negative and positive values in here, from negative 100 to positive 100, and it will depend on your current color's saturation as to how it changes. For example, if you have a fully saturated color, adding a positive value won't change it at all, but minus 100, for example, will always reduce the color to a tone. Luminance comes next, and this refers to the perceived brightness or lightness of a color. Once more, you can enter both positive and negative values up to 100 here. The easiest way to explain this is if I add 100 into the luminance value, the color becomes white, and if I change that to minus 100, it becomes black. In reality, you are likely going to add smaller values here to subtly shift the color lighter or darker. The final option is the alpha channel. This is the transparency of the color. Here you're just going to add a negative value. Minus 100 would make the color fully transparent. If I enter minus 80 into here, you can see the background image behind the text. Okay, that's how you adjust your global colors by way of hue, saturation, luminance, and transparency using the advanced global palette color options. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos. And if you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.